These are the two remedies you need if you're having a very, very bad cough. Get a lemon, but don't just cut it right away. Roll it first. Why do you want to roll it? Because it will be easier to squeeze out the juice inside of the lemon later on. Next, make sure to get some honey. This honey my mom actually gave it to me. So what you want to do is you want to cut the lemon into something like this. It doesn't matter how much lemon you want to put, you can put as much lemon as you want. Place the lemon inside a cup. Start pressing the lemon juice all the way inside. Oh, and make sure to add some hot water as well. For me, I like to personally add 3 spoons of honey into the glass. Once that is done, add in some hot water into your glass and start stirring it. Make sure to stir it well. Try it out, I'm sure it will help.